Hi everybody, and welcome to Paper Wishes Vlog. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I've got these great engraved metallic stickers for you. They are 3 different packs. This is roses and butterfly engraved stickers. So I'll go through these. You've got metallic gold right there, and then you've got the same images in metallic silver. Go, and I'm going to grab one here that I've already used something from. So they have this great metallic on it, and then you peel that off and it's clear. Okay, so you can do all kinds of cool stuff with that clear part. I'm going to show you. All right, so the next one is flowers and lace engraved stickers. These are really elegant, frilly, lacy stickers. Look at that butterfly. And again in gold. So you can make so many different kinds of cards with this. And this last one is hearts, flowers, and more engraved stickers. So here we've got some butterflies and roses. Oops, I didn't separate these properly. Okay, we're just gonna get a mix. Some silver, some bird cages, some silver bird cages, beautiful floral panels in gold and silver, and then of course some beautiful hearts just in time for Valentine's Day. All right, so let me go through and show you the wonderful different kinds of cards that my friend Debbie and I made. So here is one. This one is using the roses and butterflies engraved stickers. So for that, for this card, I should mention, I used the Blushing Blooms paper pack from hot off the press. It's got this beautiful blush pink, black, gray, white, and it was just lovely. So I used that as well as 6x6 cards from Hunky Dory. It's a 6x6 card with a matching 6x6 envelope, okay? And then I also I covered here, my card just went in a little bit. I used silver linen cardstock for my mat, and then I did my Blushing Blooms, just this really nice light pink script paper, went slightly smaller, square with that. Then I added these wonderful silver corners. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So I added those silver corners right here, and then foam taped a silver linen scallop circle cutting die, and then used the coordinating circle to do some of this beautiful, so like a gray tile paper, also from that paper pack, and then foam taped that there. Now I should also mention we've got these great new stickers. They're brand new for Paper Wishes. Let me grab them here. All right, so these are called Happy Everyday Holiday stickers. And Paulette wanted me to tell you they have every holiday except Christmas, because we have lots of Christmas stickers, but we told her we need Dazzle stickers that are for other holidays. So anyway, I've already used some here from the gold and the silver. They have white, black, there's 10 sheets in here, red, black, blue, and this beautiful brown, coppery color, bronze color rather, another shade of blue, purple, and green. And they're like happy, 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 happy. And then you've got St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's Day, Easter, New Year's, Thanksgiving, Halloween, Independence Day, Valentine's Day, Easter, and it starts over. So really enough to get you through, you know, a whole year of card making there. So I added the Happy Valentine's Day, and then I've got these adorable little candy heart sprinklets. So I just used the white one and the pink one there, and to spruce that up a little bit. Now let me show you how I did these butterflies. So the butterflies are actually backed with paper. Get there. They have a little bit of that paper that's on the back side of the pink paper on the back, and then I just took a little foam square, put it there, and then just set that right there. So how you do these, got a little scrap of paper here. I use this one that I already pulled off. That right there. And then I'm going to use my little tiny scissors from Crafter's Companion. And I should mention, you guys, we've got this brand new caddy, and it is called the, Paulette wrote it down for me. What was it called? I have to get my piece of paper. This is the Desktop Clever Caddy. I'm going to try to remember that. It's got Paulette's favorite color, her signature purple on there. And look at that, you can put all your little tools in there and they just magically stay in place. So I have this, we all have these on our desks all over Paper Wishes. So I'm going to take my little scissors and I like to go just under the sticker there, the engraved sticker. They're a lot like Dazzle stickers, but we don't call them Dazzle stickers because we did not design them. So they're not technically part of the Dazzle line, but they're very, very similar. And how I did the antennae is I just sort of lifted that up with my scissors and I'm going under that. See if we can zoom in a little bit, Steve. There we go. Okay, and then just around here. Go. So that's how I did my little adorable butterflies. Okay, so this set is from the Roses and Butterflies Engraved stickers. That's the first set I showed you. One that has all of these, okay? So we have a great money saver on these, but you can also buy them, the packs individually. So I've done that one. I don't want to lose my place here. Here is a gorgeous one that my friend Debbie made. Isn't this beautiful? She's got red cardstock here. She's got this beautiful red holographic cardstock with these hearts on it. And she used this, these are great new cards that we just got in. Let me see, these are, what is the name of them? I don't even know yet. They're these great shaped cards. So here. Oh, these are fancy circle cards. Okay, so this is how they go. They have these little windows cut in them. And then she's just topped the center part with some circle dies from the 12 circles and scallop cutting dies from hot off the press. And she also used some beautiful metallic gold paper on there. But that set comes from the Hearts, Flowers, and More engraved stickers. You can see these. Here are the beautiful hearts. It's got the Be Mine and all these small hearts on there. So absolutely gorgeous. Make sure I get these all lined up correctly. Let's see. Oh, and we've also got, here's one that I did, and this one uses, golly, this one uses the Roses and Butterflies engraved stickers. That's that first pack I showed you. And I used some of these wonderful little roses right there. And how I did that was, I actually colored on the back of my stickers. Grab them here so I can show you how to do that. You need to color on the back of them because if you color on the front, it tends to just erase that embossing, that's that engraving. I need my little piece of paper. Here we go. All right. So I'm going to take the silver one that I used here instead of gold. I'm going to peel that off. And then I'm going to use both the dull green and the dark red tri-blend markers. Okay, if you're not familiar with tri-blend markers, they come in a dark, medium, and light blend of the same colors. So they're wonderful for blending. Really, really sort of effortless blending. But we're really not going to be using them for their blending purposes. We're going to be using them for the fact that they're alcohol and they're permanent markers. So I want to use it on this color on the sticky side of this, which is kind of crazy. It's sort of counterintuitive. But if I colored on the front of the sticker, that gold engraving there would just come off because this is alcohol and it interacts with that material and it sort of erases it. So if you do it on the back, then you're keeping your image intact. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the darkest color and I'm going to go around the edges of the leaf, the petals, kind of like the inside edge of each petal. Very quickly like that. All right, now I'm going to take the light end, and I'm going to go ahead and color everything else. So I don't have to be particularly neat. I just want to avoid the areas that have the green leaves that I'm going to be coloring. And I like to do these in little circles towards the end, because if you do them in lines straight up and down, that alcohol ink just sort of sits there on the sticker material, because it's kind of going, what are you doing? Why are you drawing me on sticker material? Right, there we go. So I missed a part right over here. So that's the thing, because you're doing it backwards or upside down, you just need to kind of check and see that you got all the areas. Nope, still missed a few. All right, now I'm going to go the same thing. I'm going to color it with the darkest color right down the center of the leaves. And there are some buds here that I forgot to get. So there are some buds that you can color. I'll do that right now so I don't forget. Color those little red buds with the dark red. Okay. Back to my leaves, and then once I've done that dark center, then I can go back and color those leaves in with the lightest color of green. And as I said before, this is the dull green. This is such a light color, you can barely see that it's coloring it in. Very, very pastel. Then once you turn it over and you put it on that white paper, I was going to say it shows up beautifully. It doesn't. I'm going to go back over it and I'm going to color it with the medium green. I like that better. You can always add more color. It's just harder to take it away, right? Oh, there's one right there hiding. Okay. I think I got most of them. Then we're going to put that down. And that's how that back side of the sticker is colored, so nothing comes off. And that's what I did here. So I colored this part right here, just as I showed you. This next piece in silver, I put that on some white cardstock, and then I cut it out after I colored it. I colored it, put it on white cardstock, and then cut it out, put some foam tape on it. So you can see it's got a little bit of a bump up there. And then, oh, where'd that come from? And then I also embellished this with some shimmers, and this is the heartfelt one, and it's got some great, see if I don't splay these everywhere. It's got little confettis on it, and it's got 2 shades, or 3 shades even, of these little red domes. And then I added this background paper, actually is from, here we go. This is from the Gingham #1 paper pack, and I used the back side, so it's got a large print of red gingham. I used the smaller side. And then I also used from Hot Off the Press Classic Oval Frame. I did that from black cardstock. And then I just embellished the whole thing. These are red glitter jewel dazzles. And this is a brand new tool we have. This is called a jewel picker. And I have never used this with dazzles. I am told by my friend Debbie, it works brilliantly. It has 2 ends. It's got a small end and a great big end. So let's see how it works, because I put little tiny red glitter jewel dazzle stickers all around my little frame here. I'm going to zoom in on this for me, Steve. You see how this picks up? Oh, look at that. It picked it right up. And then you can just place it wherever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and place it right here. So you kind of need to move it to the side on your dazzle sheet, kind of loosen it up, and then it lifts it right up and it puts it right down. This is life-changing, you guys. Oops, I lost it, because I usually use my X-Acto knife or my little pokey tool to put them on. And those are great. Those work perfectly well. But wow, this is cool. I like it. All right. I'm just going to be putting these around my little shimmers guy. Oh, this is not picking up yet. I wonder if I should use the larger size. Yeah, it likes the larger size better. Here we go. Let's get one more. Go. Hey, that's pretty cool. See a new tool in my life. All right, and then I've added, of course, the new Happy Every Holiday Dazzle stickers. I used the Happy Valentine's there. Very cute. And just a red ribbon from the red ribbon set. Added a little bow there. And I took my butterfly dazzle from the same collection and I backed that on that red holographic paper that I added, the red heart holographics strip right there. And I backed my little butterfly on there and then just lifted those wings up because I just put a little foam tape right under the body so that I could bend up those wings. Okay, now I think I've got more cards buried here in all of my stuff. Here's another one. This one uses a bird cage. This one uses the Hearts, Flowers, and More engraved. And I've got my silver bird cage here. Where is it? There it is. So I just went ahead and I used a slimline card and blue Persuasion paper pack. This is new from hot off the press. And then I covered my slimline card here, which is 3.5 by 8.5. And then I just used that wonderful dark blue Persuasion and then just a strip of the floral paper. And then I added a length of this chain right here. And then went ahead and put that bird cage there. And then this greeting comes in the paper pack. And I foam taped that. And then I took some of these little birdies and I backed them using the coordinating cardstock, okay, from Blue Persuasion, and foam taped those there as well. So that's really simple. I've got one more card here. This is one that Debbie did. Debbie made, and she used the Flowers and Lace engraved stickers. See, I keep trying to make it a dazzle. She used the gold ones right here, these panels. And what she did with that is she colored on the back of them, just like I showed you with the rose. But she used this collection from the Tribe Blends. This particular pack is called Vibrant Blends. It's 6 pieces. So you can buy these from Paper Wishes either individually, or you can buy them by these small packs, or you can buy them by like the great big packs of like 24. She colored the backs of them using the yellow and the pink and the beautiful green, and then backed that with white cardstock. And then she also put a layer of, this is fuchsia suede paper. Okay, so she's got a border of that, and then a border of beautiful, kind of a nice aqua paper. And I think this is from Vintage Roses paper pack, but you'd have to check her supply list when you click on the image of the photo. And then she also added the little love dazzle sticker that is on the sheet. Well, it's included in this pack somewhere. So you guys, we've got a great money saver on all 3 of these collections. Okay, the roses and butterflies, the flowers and lace, and the hearts, flowers, and more. I would definitely encourage you to check that out. If you're watching us on paperwishes.com and are on our vlog page, then just check the money saver on the right hand side. And if you're watching us on YouTube, just look in the description box below the video and there's a link to the money saver and a link to lots more videos for paperwishes.com and lots of fun things to play with. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.